a chocolate chip cookie for my brother.
Probably the carrots and cucumbers I had. I ate the cucumbers and some of the carrots at lunch because I really like them.
These nutritious bars that taste like muffins. This meatballs and rice made by my dad.
The ham and cheese sandwich that my nanny made.
I like Italian food and Asian food because like I eat that first before I eat my snack, so it's healthy.
I like to pack my own lunch, and the first thing I would probably eat is some yogurt.
Boost things too. A teriburgers, and it's covered in cheese. Butternut squash soup and bread to dip it in.
Pizza with carrots.
Rice.